Hey, welcome everybody. My name is Sam. I'm gonna start off a cooking class today, and we're gonna do some drunken noodle. It's real popular in a restaurant. So I'm gonna start off to heat up the wok here. I'm gonna add up a little oil. We do a shrimp flavor, but again, you can use any kind of meat you like. You could do chicken, pork, beef. Even seafood. A lot of people love seafood. So my favorite is shrimp today. So let's start off that. Make sure the wok is heated real good before you put anything in there. Let's start out with shrimp. You don't have to cook the shrimp all the way through before you add any vegetable. You just make maybe 50% right now. You don't want to overcook the shrimp neither. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce here just to flavor the shrimp up. This consisting of garlic, ginger, soy sauce. Some wine, little wine in there, which is good. Plum wine to be exact. Better known in the restaurant is Sam sauce. Now Thai food, a lot of people may misconfuse about Thai food. Thai food is not always meant hot and spicy, you know. So we could make this as spicy as you like or as mild as you like. Of course, Thai food is known to be spicy, but does not have to be the case, okay? I got some fresh Thai ground chili here, okay, we're gonna use today. Also fresh basil. We cut everything in a bite size, okay? In Thai custom, we don't use knives or anything on the table, which that's why mainly everything is to bite size. Okay, it should be ready just to eat. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable at a time. As you see, the broccoli is already cut. A little bit of green pepper. You notice I put in the one that's need to cook a little longer first, the harder vegetable, and I work it down towards the softer one, which doesn't take that long to cook. Okay. I don't like my vegetable cooked too long. Saute that a little bit. Put a little more sauce in it. Go ahead, add a little spicy. If you want to spice it up a little bit. I'm not going to put that much. Is that beautiful? Saute the vegetable a little bit. I'm going to cook the lighter vegetable in. The mushroom doesn't take that much to cook. Tomato. Do a bamboo shoot. Thai Drunken Noodles. You know how they come up with that name? This is the story I heard, okay? This guy went out all night last night drinking, and he came home, he just threw everything in the pot, you know, and of course he was drunk. That's why they come up with the name Drunken Noodles. Only alcohol in this dish is a little plum wine and sauce, so you can't really get drunk on it. You could do this easily at home. You know, be fun about it. Be creative. I mean, the vegetable wise, you don't have to do the same vegetable I do. Any kind of vegetable you like, put in it. It'd be great. You know. We add a little water to help the vegetable cook a little faster. But again, I don't cook my vegetable here that soft at all. I like to have crunch on my vegetable. Noodle wise, I'm going to help it soften a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and blanch the noodle real quickly. This is white rice noodle. Not too long. Get the water out a little bit. Still, the sauce in here, it's very complete already that I blend together. Come up with your own sauce, you know. Make sure, I mean, I got oyster sauce in there, I got soy sauce, I got sugar, like I said, wine, black pepper. So come up with your own favorite blend that you really like and you enjoy, and mix it up the way you like it. I guarantee you come up with a great dish. Well, let's complete our drunken noodle.